Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Dreaming of a financially secure future? A Roth IRA could be your secret weapon, allowing your investments to grow completely tax-free. When you retire, all those withdrawals are also tax-free, which is truly amazing. Robinhood makes setting one up surprisingly straightforward, transforming a complex process into just a few simple steps. Let's dive in and get your tax-advantaged savings started today. Before you open your Roth IRA, it's good to know the rules. There are income limits for direct contributions, so always check the most current IRS guidelines to ensure you qualify. Also, remember the annual contribution limits. For example, in 2024, individuals under 50 can contribute up to $7,000, while those 50 and over can add $8,000. Knowing these details helps you plan your savings effectively. Ready to open your account? It's really quite simple. Just open your Robinhood app and head to the investing section. You'll then look for the retirement or IRA option right there on the screen. From there, follow the clear prompts. Robinhood will ask for some personal information and likely verify your identity, a standard and secure process. It's designed to be a quick, hassle-free experience. Once your account is open, the next step is funding it. If your bank isn't already linked, Robinhood will walk you through that process. It's very straightforward. Then, you can decide whether to make a single deposit or, even better, set up recurring contributions. Automating your savings ensures you stay on track and consistently build your wealth for the future, helping you reach your financial goals over time. Now for the exciting part, investing your funds. You can choose from a wide range of options on Robinhood, whether you prefer individual stocks, exchange-traded funds, or even a mix. The key benefit here is that all your investment growth inside the Roth IRA is tax-free. This means more money stays in your pocket, compounding beautifully over the years. Begin investing now and unlock your financial future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.